it's me, Teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to show you on how to play pasta and macaroni. So let's go! Let me show you on how to play macaroni and pasta. So the first thing first is to prepare the macaroni into the container, and then hide small toys into this macaroni. As you can see, there's a toys inside here. And then third one, take your child's head and start exploring like this. Ooh, there's a pig. And then, ooh, there's chicken. And then, ooh, there's a farmer. You might be wondering what are the benefits that my child could get by doing this, because this is a part of sensory. The first thing first is for sensation enjoyment, because we want them to explore their sensory, which is, for example, touches, let them feel the texture, and then different types of textures such as hardness, smooth, and etc. to make sure that they don't grow up feeling sensitive to touches. This is help them to enjoy as much as they can, playing around. And then the second one is, of course, for parents and children to bond together, because I felt like this activity will be such a fun way to connect with your child. Spending time, physical touches between parents and child are needed for them to feel more bonded. And last but not least is to build curiosity to explore, because we want them to always explore what is up in this pasta. For example, like I say, hide toys inside the macaroni pasta, right? So we want them to feel like while they like enjoying the sensation of macaroni, they feel like, what's this? Oh, there's a toy hidden inside our pasta. So we want them to always curious to explore, because this is one of the good way for them to develop as a person, is to always curious and to ask questions about the world. And when it comes to age appropriate, I would say 6 months and above would be great, because in this 6 months time, 6 months and above, their play stage is around sensory motor, which is to just play around with their sensory. And yeah, will be great for them. So that's all from me. Thank you.